traders, Todd Gordon of TradingAnalysis.com. It's Thursday night, right before NFP here on June 5th, and I have 3 trades I want to talk to you about. First, let's go into the bond trade. We've been tracking 30-year bonds pretty closely with you here on the free video. We had the short on with our research customers. We actually covered it today, and we flipped and went long into NFP. Here's why. We have moved down in 5 waves into wave C of 4 into this Fibonacci support zone, right around 134.5 in that front month bond, 30-year bond contract. I think we're moving higher in wave 5 up to about 140 in the 30-year treasury. The equivalent level in the TLT is down around 111, so that's the instrument we're using to trade that. Next chart I want to go to is the Russell. Here's another one we've been tracking with you on the free video. Okay, this one has moved higher from support quite well. Here's another trade we had on with customers. We sold, what did we do? We sold a 111 put for 50 cents with customers into this wave 4 support. We've moved higher. We're now up into wave 5 resistance. I see 114.25 to 115.5 as resistance in the IWM, which is your ETF for the Russell 2000. So point is here, don't chase. We are out of our short put position. We covered it at a couple cents for full profit, and we're expecting a little bit of a pullback tomorrow in the Russell. The other one we're looking at is Priceline. This guy is set up beautifully. Okay, Priceline looks like this. The NASDAQ has not been quite as strong as the Russell. Okay, the NASDAQ has had a little bit of hesitation, and I think it's about time for the NASDAQ to kind of get on its horse a little bit and move to the upside. I'm seeing a lot of wave 4 pullbacks in the NASDAQ stocks. I'm seeing it in Google, I'm seeing it in Apple, I'm seeing it in Priceline, a few others, but there's a lot of them. I'm just kind of waiting for that NASDAQ kick to the upside. So let's dive in. This is a great chart. Wave 1 up, wave 2. Now here's the key. Guys, a lot of times if you think you're in a 5-wave move, look right to that 100% level. Okay, that's the distance traveled in wave 1 compared to distance traveled in would be wave 3. If it's a correction and not a new 5-wave uptrend, it's going to fail here. And it did not fail. It just gapped up through the 100% level, got up to the 1618, which is usually your wave 3, and just for wave 3 target, and then just for good measure, went up to the 200%. So this is clearly a wave 3. We're now pulling back in wave 4. This cluster of Fibonacci support, which is calculated from wave 3 and wave 2, resides between 1256 and 1230. That support, we should be moving up in wave 5. Your target is your ratio analysis. You can do about 4 or 5 wave 5 projections. I'll just do one for you. You want to target the 1272 of wave 4 verse 5, and that is at 1318. Priceline volatility is a little pumped up here, so you would be okay to sell downside, put credit spreads instead of outright going long, especially because that Russell is a little overcooked to the top side, and we're going long bonds, which should be stocks lower, but recently we've seen stocks and bonds trading together. So it's a trader's market in here. We're doing very well, knock on wood. I hate to say it. For the month of May, I think we did about 15 trades and only about 2 losers. So we had a nice month. Things are moving. We're seeing nice clear patterns. And I hope those trades help you guys. All right? So feel free to check out the website, TradingAnalysis.com. Subscribe to this feed, and we can get you these trades delivered right to your inbox. And we will see you on the next update. Have a great non-farm payroll, guys.